Hey friends, welcome back again. Today in this session we'll solve this expression. Here we have whole to the cube root of square root 50 minus square root 49. So friend, before we start, please give a thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Now let's start the video. Now for solution of this problem, we'll write cube root as it is. So it is cube root and square root 50 we can write. Square root 50 we'll write 2 multiplied by 25. And here we have minus square root 49. Now this expression, it is in the form of square root a multiplied by b, and we can write it as square root a multiplied by square root b. So in the next we write whole to the cube root of square root 2, we'll write square root 2 multiplied by square root 25, and here we have negative square root 49. And in the next, this whole is cube root of 3, and here it is square root 2, and square root 25 we can write 5, so it is multiplied by 5, and negative square root 49 we can write 7. So now in the next we'll write it here. So it is whole is cube root of 3, and here we'll write square root 2 multiplied by 5, we can write 2 plus 3, right? And now we have negative 7 we'll write negative 6 minus 1, so the value of this term will be negative 7. So now in the next we'll write whole is cube root of 3, and we'll multiply this term by square root 2, so the value of this term will be 2 square root 2 plus 3 square root 2, 3 square root 2. So here it is negative, and 6 we'll write 2 multiplication of 3, so it is 2 multiplied by 3 and negative 1 as it is. And in the next we'll write whole is cube root of 3, and 2 we can write square root 2 and its square, the value of this term will be 2, and it is multiplied by square root 2. And here we have 3 square root 2, and we'll multiply it by 1, the value of this term will be same as it is earlier. Now here we have negative, and 2 we can write square root 2 and its square, and it is multiplied by 3. And here we have negative 1, and we'll write it as negative 1 and its cube. Now in the next, whole the value is cube root of 3, and here it is square root 2 square and multiplied by square root 2. The value of this term will be square root 2 and its cube. And now we'll arrange this expression. So first we'll write this expression, so we can write as negative, so we'll write 3 first, so 3 square root 2 square, and we'll multiply it by 1. And after that we'll write this expression, here it is plus 3 square root 2, and 1 we'll write multiplied by 1 square, and we are left with this value, so it is negative 1 cube. Now for solving these expressions, we'll let square root 2 as a and 1 as b. So our expression will be, so it is whole is square root of 3, and here it is square root 2 cube means it will be a cube, so it is a cube minus 3, and here it is square root 2 square means a square multiplied by 1 means b, so it is b, plus here it is 3 square root 2 is a multiplied by 1 square means b square, so it is b square, and negative 1 cube means b cube. Now if you look at it, is in the form of a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, means it is in the form of a minus b whole cube, and whole the value is cube root of 3, so it is cube root of 3. Now this expressions we can write it as a minus b, and it's having cube, and if we eliminate this cube root of 3, then we can write it as multiplied by 1 by 3, right? And now here 3 and 1 over 3 will be cancelled, so we are left with a minus b, right? The value of a minus b will put here, so value of a is square root 2 minus value of b is 1. Now the value of square root 2, the value of square root 2 is 1.41 minus here it is negative 1. Now if we'll solve this, the value of this term will be 0.41. So the answer of this problem will be 0.41. This will be the answer of this problem. So friend, how my video is, give your precious comment in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.